Hello my students, how are you? Prep 2 today we'll explain from المعاصر book, lesson number 7, unit 3. The distance between 2 points in the coordinate plane. We can find the distance between 2 points in the coordinate plane by using the rule square root x2 minus x1 all power 2 plus y2 minus y1 all power 2. And we have rule to find the distance between any point as a coordinate or the original point. We will explain now. Okay, first look at here. If we have 2 points, we can find the distance between together by using this rule. x2 minus x1 all power 2 plus y2 minus y1 all power 2. Okay, it's easy question. Okay, send to me. I will explain number 1 to understood. Number 1, we have 2 points. A was 1 and 10, and B was 7 and 2. Then AB equal, we can write square root of 7 minus 1 equals 6 power 2 and 2 minus 10 power 2. 7 minus 1 6 power 2 36. 2 minus 10 it will be negative 8. Negative 8 power 2 is 64. Summation and find the square root, it will be 10 units. It's AB. Number 2, we can find the length of AP. Look at here, we have A and B. Negative 5 minus 0 all power 2 plus 2 minus 3 all power 2. 2 plus 3 all power 2. Negative 5 minus 0, negative 5 power 2 is 25. And 2 plus 3 6 power 2 is 36. 6 plus 5 11, 1 and the carry up 1. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Then the result will be again 2 plus 3 5 power 2 is 25. Square root of 50, it will be 5 root 2. Length unit. Next question. Understood? Okay, listen with me. This question is famous in the exam. Okay, read it. I will explain like this question. Number 2 is the distance between 2 points equal 5 length unit. Find the value of A. Okay, we can find the length by write the rule square root of 3a minus 1 minus a all power 2. 3a minus 1 minus a all power 2 and 1 minus 5 all power 2. The distance was 5 units. Look at here, 3a minus a, it will be 2a minus 1 all power 2. But you must change the sign. Okay, 3a minus 1. Understood? This 3a minus 1 minus a. 3a minus a, it will be 2a minus 1 all power 2 plus 1 minus 5 negative 4 power 2 is 16. The result will be 5. We can cancel square root by put power 2 left hand side, right hand side. Then under square root equal 5. Then 5 by 5 25. Then 2a minus 1 all power 2 plus 16 is 25. Move 16 here. 25 minus 16 is 9. Then 2a minus 1 all power 2 will be equal 9. Then we have two solutions. The first, 2a minus 1 equals square root of 9, it will be 3. Or 2a minus 1, it will be positive 3 and negative 3. We can put the square root from left hand side and right hand side. We have positive or negative. Then the value of a equal 4 divided by 2 equal 2, and here negative 3 plus 1 negative 2 divided by 2, it will be negative 1. We have negative 3 plus 1 negative 2 divided by 2 equal 1. Then we have two solutions. A will be equal to or negative 1. The rule, we can use that to find the distance between any point and the original point 0 and 0. We can find square root of x power 2 plus y power 2. Okay, like this question. The distance between point as original point, we can write square root x power 2 plus y power 2. First power 2, it will be negative 9 power 2, it will be 9. And square root of 16 power 2, it will be 16. And the result will be 5. The distance between 2 points, it will be 5 length unit. Next question, the distance between 0 and negative 13 and x-axis, we can raise the absolute value of y. And the result will be 13 length unit. Choose letter D. The distance between point negative 1 and negative 6 and y-axis, we can find the absolute value of y, of x. The distance between point and y-axis, absolute value of x, it will be 1 length unit. We have AB and BC and CA. We want to find the parameter of triangle. We can find the 3 sides and then collect together. This question one. Number 4. Find the parameter of triangle where A was 4 and 2 and B negative 2 and negative 4 and C 0 and 0. First step, I will find here AP. Equal square root of negative 2 minus 4 or power 2 and negative 4 minus 2 or power 2. We write negative 2 minus 4 and negative 4 minus 2 and then complete. Negative 2 minus 4 negative 6 power 2 is 36. Negative 4 minus 2 negative 6 power 2 is 36. The result will be 6 root 2 length unit. It's AB. And B O, we have B and O. 0 minus minus 2, it will be 0 plus 2 or power 2, and 0 minus minus 4, 0 plus 4 or power 2. Square root of 0 power 2, 2 power 2 is 4, and 0 plus 4, 4 power 2 is 16. The result will be 16 plus 4, 20. Square root of 20, we know 20 equal 2 times 10 or 4 times 5. Okay, 4 times 5, right? 2 root 5. It's OP. And the length of AO, A and O, we have 4 minus 0 power 2, it will be 4 power 2, and 2 minus 0, 2 power 2, 2 power 2, it will be 4, 2 power 2, and here 4 power 2, because we won't find the distance between point A and the original point. 4 power 2 and 2 power 2, okay? The result will be here 16 plus 4 equal 20, like this. Then the result will be 2 root 5. And the first, we have negative 6 power 2 36, and negative 6 power 2 36, we have 6 root 2. A and B, we can write again negative 2 minus 4 negative 6, and negative 4 minus 2 negative 6, 6 root 2. Then we can find the parameter will be 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 6 root 2. It will be 4 root 5 plus 6 root 2 length unit. Okay, this question also, like the method to find prove that triangle is equilateral, you must prove that all sides are equal lengths. And here we want to prove that this triangle is isosceles, meaning we want to prove that two sides are equal lengths. So I will find all dimensions, and we know the sum of two sides in triangle greater than the third is equality of triangles. Then we can write AB equal the first step AB by using the rule. Right, square root of, look at here, 5 minus 3 or power 2 plus 9 minus 3 or power 2. 5 minus 3 2 2 power 2 is 4, and 9 minus 3 6 6 power 2 is 36. Then we have square root of 40. The result will be 2 root 10. And B and C, we can write negative 1 minus 5 all power 2. And 7 minus 9 all power 2. Negative 1 minus 5. Negative 6 power 2 is 36. 7 minus 9 negative 2 power 2, it will be 4. The result will be 2 root 2, root 10. And the last one, AC. A and C, we have negative 1 minus 3 all power 2. Seven minus 3 all power 2. Negative 1 minus 3 negative 4 power 2 is 16. And 7 minus 3 4 4 power 2 is 16. 16 times 2 it will be 4 root 2 length unit. Then we have a sus triangle because two sides here are equal lengths. Was equal to BC equal to root 10 length unit. Then the triangle here, the type of triangle, isosceles triangle. We have two dimensions equal length. You must know the sum of any two sides greater than third in a triangle. And if you want to prove that 3 points are collinear, we must prove that the greatest length equals the sum of smallest lengths. Like this question. Determine which of the following points are collinear. We must find the 3 dimensions and prove that the greatest number equals sum of two sides are collinear. And number 2 also the same. Number 6. Determine the type of this triangle or this point, collinear or not collinear. So I will solve question number 1 by finding the 3 lengths. First dimension AP by find using the rule. Look at here, negative 3 minus minus 2. We have negative 3 plus 2 all power 2. 4 minus 7 all power 2. Then we have square root of negative 3 plus 2 negative 1 power 2 is 1. 4 minus 7 negative 3 power 2 is 9. The result will be square root of 10. And what about PC? We can write 1 minus minus 3. It will be 1 plus 3 power 2. 16 minus 4 power 2. 1 plus 3 4 4 power 2 is 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 power 2 144. 6 plus 14 0 and carry up 1. 5 plus 1 6 160. Square root. The result will be 4 square root of 10. And EC equal A and C here. We can write 1 minus minus 2. 1 plus 2 all power 2. 16 minus 7 all power 2. 1 plus 2 3 3 power 2 is 9. 16 minus 7 9 9 power 2 it will be 81. 81 plus 9 it will be 90. The result will be 3 square root of 10. Then we can find the length is here PC. It's equivalent to EB plus EC. Sum of them equal 4 root 10. Then A and B and C are collinear. They are in the same straight line. This is question number 1. Question number 2, the same idea. Number 2, we can find the length of AB first. And B here, negative 1 minus 5 all power 2. And negative 7 minus 1 all power 2. Then we can complete. Negative 6 power 2 is 36. Negative 7 minus 1 negative 8 power 2 is 64. The result will be square root of 100 equal 10 length unit is AB, and BC equal 1 minus 1, it will be 1 plus 1, and 4 minus 7, it will be 4 plus 7, whole power 2, square root of 1 plus 1, 2, 2 power 2, 4, and 4 plus 7, 11 power 2, 121, 125, it will be 5 root 3. Okay, because we have 25 times 3, 5 root 5. 25 times 5, it will be 125. Okay, then AC and C here, we can write 1 minus 5 all power 2, and 4 minus 1 all power 2. 1 minus 5 negative 4 power 2 is 16, and 4 minus 1 3 power 2 negative 3 power 2 is 9. The result will be 25. Square root of 25, it will be 5 length unit. We have length first and second and third. 1, 2, 3, 3 dimensions here. Then if we found the greatest value here, 125, BC not equal to EB plus AC, they are not equal. Then point here, A and BC not collinear, because the greatest value not equal to the smallest value of two lenses. Now we can prove the type of triangle about this relation. If E power the greatest value power 2 greater than sum of smaller sides, we call it opposite angle triangle. And if the greatest side power 2 equivalent to the sum of two sides smallest in this triangle, we called it right angle triangle. If AC power 2 is than EB power 2 plus BC power 2, we called it angle triangle. Like this question, we can type the triangle by finding 3 dimensions and compare between smaller sides and greater sides. Here, okay, we have 3 points are vertices of triangle. We must prove that sum of two sides greater than the third first. Then the 3 points ABC are vertices of triangle. Then we can compare between the height side power 2 and smaller sides first power 2 and second power 2 to write the type of triangle, and then find the area if you want. Next question, you want to prove that triangle opposite angle at B. Okay, we can find here the 3 dimension. First one, we can write AB equal square root of, we have AB, right, 3 minus 5 all power 2, and negative 2 minus 3 power 2, three minus 5 negative 2 power 2 is 4. Okay. And negative 2 minus 3 negative 5 power 2 is 25, and the result will be square root of 29 length unit. And what about BC? B and C, pay attention with me here, we can write 3 minus 5 all power 2, no, BC here, negative 2 minus 3, okay, negative 2 minus 3 all power 2, and negative 4 minus 2, negative 4 plus 2. Change the sign here. Negative 2 minus 3, negative 5 power 2, it will be 25, and negative 4 plus 2, negative 2 power 2 is 4. And the result will be 29 length unit. This is PC. And AC, look at here, and C, we can write negative 2 minus 5 all power 2, negative 2 minus 5 all power 2, and negative 4 minus 3 all power 2. Then AC equals square root of negative 2 minus 5 negative 7 power 2 is 49, and negative 4 minus 3 negative 7 power 2, it will be 49. The result will be 7 root 2. Okay, we know the sum of any two sides here greater than the third, such that EP plus PC is greater than EC, then E and B and C are points or are point of triangle, of vertices of triangle. Now I want to find or prove that obtuse angle triangle at P. Then we can find the greatest value, square root of 49 plus 49, 49 plus 49, square root of 98, and here 92. Then we can combine between its number 98 such that AC power 2, it will be 98, and comparing between BC power 2 and AB power 2. The first power 2, it will be 29, and here 29. 9 plus 9 equal 18. 8 and the carry of 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. It's greater than. Then this triangle we called it obtuse. Then triangle ABC is an obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Next question. If ABCD quadral, prove that. We can prove that about all dimensions are equal. He speak about parallelogram or rhombus or rectangle or square. You must know these steps. Parallelogram, which meaning each of the sides are equal lengths, and rhombus, both sides are equal lengths. Rectangle, two adjacent sides are equal lengths and two diagonals are equal lengths. Where all sides equal lengths and two diagonals are equal lengths. Look at this question, we can prove that rhombus, all sides are equal lengths by the rules, and the area equal half times by diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Found diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, and then find area, half times base times height. Number 8, try yourself. Prove that the points vertices of rectangles, then calculate area. Okay. We know the area of rectangle equals times the base, but first step we must prove that the points A, B, C, D is vertices of rectangle. We must find 4 sides. The purpose of rectangle, we know rectangle is parallelogram which two adjacent sides are perpendicular, and also we can prove that two diagonals are equal lengths. Then we will find 4 sides and 2 diagonals and prove that each of the sides are equal lengths and 2 diagonals are equal lengths. Then we can find the area by product AB by BC, because 2 dimension will be perpendicular, length times width, to find the area. So the first step here, first I will find all dimensions like AB, BC, CD, DA. Look at here, AB, we have A and B. We can find the difference between 5 and negative 1. 5 minus 1, it will be 5 plus 1. Understood? 5 and 1 minus 3. Square root of 5 plus 1, 6. 6 power 2 is 36. 1 minus 3, negative 2 power 2 is 4. The result will be square root of 40. And what about BC? B and C, 6 minus 5 all power 2. And 4 minus 1 all power 2. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 power 2 is 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 power 2 is 9. The result will be square root of 10. And what about CD? Look at the C and D. 0 minus 6 will be negative 6. Negative 6 power 2. And 6 minus 4 power 2. We have 36, and 6 minus 4, 2. 2 power 2, 4. The result will be square root of 40. It will be 2 root 10. They are equivalent. 2 root 10. Okay. 2 root 10. Now we can find also DA. The distance between DA. 0 minus minus 1, it will be 0 plus 1. All power 2, and 6 minus 3 all power 2. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 power 2 is 1. 6 minus 3, 3 power 2 is 9. The result will be square root of 10. Then we have EB equal CD and BC equal DA. Then the polygon here, we called it parallelogram. Now we want to prove that parallelogram convert to rectangle. How? By find two diagonals. Look here, this rectangle, I will confound the length of A. We have ABCD. Now I will find the length of AC and also the length of DB. If they are equivalent, then parallelogram convert to rectangle, because rectangle is parallelogram, which two diagonals are equal in lengths. Now I will find the length of EC. Look at with me, we have A and C here. 6 minus 1 all power 2, it will be 6 plus 1 power 2, and 4 minus 3 all power 2. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 power 2 is 49. 4 minus 3. Okay, 4 minus 3 power 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 power 2 is 1. The result will be square root of 50. It will be 5 root 5. 5 root 2. Okay, and BD. Look at B and D. B and D. 0 minus 5 all power 2. It will be negative 5 power 2. 0 minus 5 all power 2. And 6 minus 1 power 2. Then BD equal 5 power 2, 25, and 6 minus 1 power 2, 25. It's the same answer, be 5 root 2. They are equivalent. Two lenses are equivalent. BCD is a rectangle. Understood? It's rectangle because four sides equal lenses and two diagonals equal lenses. Now we can find the area. Two dimension here adjacent product together. EB product by BC. Length times width. The result will be 2 root 10 times root 10. In the area, 2 root 10 times by root 10. Root 10 times root 10 equal 10. 10 times 2 is 20. Then the area will be 20 square units. The area of rectangle equal 20 square units. Now we have circle. All sides or radius of circle are equal in lengths. Example number 9. Solve it here. He want to find circumference of circle. We equal 2 by r, and the area equal by r power 2. Now prove that the points passes through a circle center M 2 and negative 3, and then find the circumference of the circle term of y. Okay, we can find the length of MA first. Look at here with me, MA. Here are A, negative 2 minus 2 all power 2, and 0 minus 3 all power 2, 0 plus 3. Square root of negative 2 minus 2, negative 4 power 2 is 16, and 3 power 2 is 9. Square root of 25 is 5 length unit. Okay, then MA equal 5 length unit, and then we can find MBP. The distance between M and B, we're at 5 minus 2 all power 2, and 1 minus 3, it will be 1 plus 3 all power 2. 5 minus 2, 3, 3 power 2 is 9, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 power 2 is 16, square root will be 5 length unit. And write MC, MC here, 6 minus 2 all power 2, plus negative 6 minus 3, negative 6 plus 3 all power 2, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 power 2 equals 16, negative 6 plus 3 equal negative 3 power 2 is 9. The result will be square root of 25 equal 5 length unit. then 3 dimensions are equivalent. Then MA equal MB equal MC, and then we can find circumference of circle equal 2 by r. 2 product by pi, product by the radius was 5 length unit, and the result will be 10 pi centimeter or length unit. Understood this lesson? Okay, it's the last question.